Boondockers today. The first guy's name is Chuck, and he should be here any minute, I guess. That's about all I know about him. He's from boondockerswelcome.com. And then the second fella, I'm going to hold off telling you who that is. It's going to be a surprise. He'll be here late tonight or tomorrow. So I'll wait to put that video out till the next one. Keep you in suspense. Anyway, I'm going to get things moved around here in the driveway a little bit so both of them have room.
Oh, you've got a cord already.
Yeah, and it's nothing fancy. Don't get all excited.
I do have some cord. Okay, you don't need to get it.
It's right there in that chair.
All right, I just didn't know if I had volume.
Yeah, no, it reaches quite a ways.
Yeah, I think it'd be easy if I just pull in.
Whatever's easier for you. He pulled into that empty field out there and he's flipping a U. There's his rig. I don't remember how long he said it was. And Betty Lou is his mom.